Well, this rain may be helping quench the fire, but it's also stirring up plenty of smoke here in West Footscray, where firefighters continue to battle that massive warehouse fire that sent a plume of thick black smoke across Melbourne's west. Today's scene is a far cry from the chemical explosions we saw yesterday. Gone is that thick plume of smoke, and the fire has been declared under control. However, this is still proving a challenging one for firefighters to get to the centre of this 14,000 square metre block to try and determine what started it all.
There's a whole range of products inside the factory. We have scrap metals, acetones, paint products. We've had oxyacetylene cylinders that were exploding yesterday.
A combination of acetone and other chemicals is known to have been burning inside the factory. Runoff from the water being used by firefighters has ended up in the nearby Stony Creek, turning it blue and black in parts yesterday, with Melbourne Water currently pumping out as much of that polluted water as possible before it reaches the Yarra. Pet owners being urged to steer well clear.
We think people should stay away from there due to the potential products that are in the creek that are unhealthy.
A watch and act alert remains in place for 11 surrounding suburbs. The EPA says air quality is good, but the advice is still to limit exposure to any smoke in the area. Children have been allowed to return to the more than 50 schools and early learning centres which were closed yesterday.
Obviously a bit concerned. Nobody likes to be living in these smoky conditions, but yeah, what can you do?
But local businesses remain severely affected.
It's not ideal, but it's impacted our ability to deliver and to maintain some services to our customers.
Investigators have spoken to the owner of the warehouse as well as its new tenants, but say it's too early to determine whether any malpractice could have been the cause for igniting the chemicals inside. Heavy machinery has been brought in to try and clear the rubble for investigators, but it may still be a few days until we know the exact cause.